Okay girls, now I am doing question number 2. Please let's look at question number 2. A shirt is sold for rupees 135 at a profit of 12%. Okay, again the selling price is given to you. From sold I come to know selling price is given to you. Profit is given to you this time instead of loss. Again it is given in the form of percentage. It means you have to calculate the amount of profit as well. Calculate the cost price of the shirt. Again they have given cost price to calculate. Simply here they have written cost price to calculate. I will make the data in the same form. Selling price, profit percentage, cost price. Here I will write profit as well because percentage is given. Whenever it is given in percentage, you have to write down profit as well. Formula which I will be using, you will see all the formulas in your book. Here I will be using, I have to calculate cost price. So you will use formula number 7, which is cost price in case of gain. Cost price is equals to selling price minus gain. Gain is also known as profit. So whether you write gain or profit, both means same. Cost price is equals to selling price minus profit. Now here definitely again I have to convert profit into a profit percentage into profit amount. So you will write first convert profit percentage into profit amount. Suppose the cost price is X, because remember that whenever you have to do conversion of loss or profit, they are calculated on cost price only. They are calculated on cost price only. So cost price is not given to us. So we will suppose them as X. I will use formula number 9 over here. Convert profit percentage into profit, which says profit percentage of cost price. So here I am calculating with this formula. Profit is equals to profit percentage of cost price. So profit percentage is given to me 12%. 12% of cost price, which I have supposed X, is equals to 12 upon 100 multiplied by X. Reduction 2 6 and 2 5s are zeros, 2 5s are 10 and 0 will be copied. 2 3s are and 2 25s are. They are not further reducing, so it is 3 upon 25x. Okay, 3x upon 25. Okay, now I will substitute the values in the original formula. Cost price I supposed X, selling price is given to us 135, and profit we calculated, which is 3x upon 25. Again you will do the same thing. X you will shift on one side of the equation. X is already here. This you will bring it here, so it is minus, it will become plus. 3x upon 25 is equals to 135. Here it is in 1. Again plus or minus sign in between of fractions, you always take LCM. 1 and 25 LCM will get 25. 1 it will go 25 times, and 25 and 25 times go 1 times. Table 1 times 135. So it will give me 25x plus 3x. Subtract, add and subtract. 25 plus 3 will gives me 28x upon 25 is equals to 135. Here it is multiplying with x 25. When I will shift over there, it will here it is dividing. When I will shift after equal to, it will multiply. Sorry. X is equals to 135 multiplied by 25. Here it was multiplying, and when I will shift after equal to, it will divide. Now add and subtract the values. 25 and 28, they go in same times table or not? Okay, here I cannot reduce any of the table because there is nothing common in between 135, 25 and 28. So I have to multiply, and then I have to do division in rougher column. So after multiplying I get 3, 3, 7, 5 upon 28 is equals to, when I will divide in rougher column, you will do division in rougher column, and you will get the answer 120.53. So the cost price of the shirt is rupees 120.53. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Very easy. And now I am doing question number 4. Next question.